Welcome back to Initial Speed. Today, well, the wife wants to go on a trip, so I noticed that the tires on the Jetta look a little rough, so I've pulled out the stock wheels from the Audi, and that's what I'm going to do. Put those on, do a little once-over, make sure that the vehicle is prepped and ready. I don't want to be out here. It's kind of cold. So these tires look way better than the ones that are on the Jetta. The ones on the Jetta, by the tread, you can see it starting to separate. It's dry rotting. These are the wheels that are going to go on the Jetta. Yeah, this winter, I've bought a few things. Possibilities. Here are the tires that I'm talking about. You can see that they're cracking all the way around. I don't trust that for a longer drive, you know what I'm saying? I mean, this is the front of the car, and you can see the tires are doing the same thing. Let's check all of them. I'm going to change them regardless, but oh no, this is the newer tire. So this is fine. I had to replace one tire because it had a bulge in it, and that's it. This tire is drying out. It's not as bad as the other two, but it's time for these tires to retire. And maybe I can sell that front tire to someone that needs that size, and then refurb these wheels, put some new tires on it, and lower it?
+3 is warm enough for me.
That thing puts a big smile on her face. Wow. I'm happy she's happy. Back to work. So, if you haven't seen the Beetle build, go back and take a look. Yes, there is still a little bit more to be done on that Beetle, but she's loving it so much, it's hard to get some time to work on it. And I mean, it is a little cold outside, so, you know. I hope you can hear me over the noise. I'm just pumping up all the tires, making sure the right amount of air is in them. So while I'm under here, just take a look at a few things. Bushing seems to be okay. I know that the struts are blown, or blowing, so I need to replace those. Maybe I'll just lower it at the same time. Check all of the cables, make sure that, you know, they're okay. The brake line, make sure it's not cracked. It's looking all right. Make sure the handbrake is all right. I know it's okay because I've been using it. And making sure that brakes aren't binding. Some of the things you check for while you're under here, you know? Doesn't look much different. VW, Audi, same thing, right? The styling of the wheels are the same, just smaller diameter. A few things that are different. But man, look at that wheel gap. Ugh. What I was saying was, while you're under there, check the hoses, the brake line, the ABS lines, check the, well, tie rods in the front, control arms, check your pads, your rotors, check to make sure that that dust shield is not touching your rotor, so you don't get that grinding, loud, annoying sound. Anyhow, she looks good. Wife's got the Beetle, the Jetta's ready to go. The Lexus over there needs a wash, but still a little chilly for that, even though it's a nice day. It is about 5 degrees, so For the Americans, that is about 38 degrees. So it's not horrible, but, could be warmer. The sun's out, so it feels so good. Soak up that vitamin D. Mission accomplished. All right. Thank you for watching. Initial speed out. The tire and wheels that came off. 17's one size bigger, but Got to figure a place to put these now. The wife's Volkswagen. Oh no, those are the Jettas. Summers and the Golf's. Ugh. The Golf's Summers. Should I make those the Winters? And make these the Summers?